Hallo. Fatima. Ida ka on kana mo je ko tekede. Nene. Papa nya balikan ne ala senna kumo. Okay. Nene. Albuka papa moide. Albuka papa la kumo moide. Okay. Okay. Anyway, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ngamo be konton men be jubero la ni men bena jubero la. Mba be konton na. Mba fulal be happy weekend. You know. Anyway, dia mo be siare. UDP, United Democratic Party, you know. So, ngamobe mobe kontona, and then coming kulam dro is momo ni la mira yalamo. Adung adama dung ning ko boyta fana ko mu karada flalis asidia dole ate diala dole dunia nyim fona ta wole kam. Bawo adamadiun wo kutena dunia membe diala adamadiun be bawo ala yenda wala ala adamadiun na ne cholo moti birintu momen na dino fon jita fo dol tata e fata e man son dino ni na man diye hani ala men fon yenda mol be balande ngama hani sai andum ate ala lentel da ako nga songama bara ma fonye dia ku ya nga songama comme kafo wato wati ako faman sha'a falyaghfir wa man sha'a falyumin nadiyata me ye kafriyate alama nadiyata me yesungate alama. So ibaji la ko Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala men fayentel da he is more democratic than any human being on this earth. Ning ayatare konka ala la silo noma ala moliya mar nyame ibaji la ko dunia nyim fambe peace sotola nin tilimbali yali taunte yali problemo men bebe keri nyoko nante yali ning ayata ko nka alala ya marono ma adamadi be son tawla me yalo ko it is impossible bawo iblisa fanam bala do ko lale bring ale iblisa birako adama tembo men nako sujidi mbemba adama iblisa ko sujidi adama iblisa kay kon te sujidi laye ala ko iblisa ko nge halakile mbe bondilan na nemo kono mbe jamfandilan na nemo la bari iblisa ya dani menna wala mo ko akay ko isin nukundi yemma bondila joni me kananje bari ako alay ko mbe la joni be filindila illa ibadaka salihin naman kela jon kendol lati men yalon ko i sontete alama yete alala ya maro la moy so woto adama diwni kute na la nyin dunia membe dialam be ko na boita aka group fulani soto. So and many complainta, this is just a brotherly advice to our United Democratic Party because ntol bela movement wala muko we have a Gambia me yalon ko na musol tetula fala tinto. We want to have a Gambia me yalon ko mbamanyulu mbare musolu nawulu ite tula sada dano la social media ibenga ibo fontendi la because of munamu you know imam fensoto ibulo me ko be mansakunda me yalon ko wala nyante la ko keleye o mansakunda fan o man time sotoyla So this is mandin kol ka fo mena kulumbulala be ngani ya killing. Kulumbulala be mu ngani ya killing neti. Ntolube laftale ka Gambia kendo soto. Gambia me yalon ko we all can be proud of. Gambia me yalon ko besi proud no ala kaje ko nyina mun na banko tin tata dawdan sisi so konko ngala. That's what we want to have as a country. Bari dunia fana pro moli hakili mira different ol soto ji. Ntol man karam bari ya fo nyame hani kila sallallahu alaihi wasallam wato dola na ala saibul kanyo sabaku wodollale. Woto kaje ko adamadi man temma. Ado adamadi nenete temma la fana. Ni yaje ko alay tubo natindi bigo sa yalo nako mbe mistake ol kelale. Walatina alay tubo natindi. Ba tubo fana na saratul momenti lonna le men fo wala muko an nadamatu wala mu yenni misa fiona alama fionto fata me yesoto ila baraku wolto tubo mo wolati. So nin ko keta mol bulu dol beje si tubi dol beje te sonna ka tubi men man tubi fam wara mol lo molti ala kanan tar wo fam wara mol kono katu momo fata fa wara ya kono ne ala me man ta bendro ila joski jahannabati askela demba du sababoti adu alamu alen ne badi mislimo be tankandi walakin I'm definitely I am so proud of na UDP, and I'm really proud to be part of UDP. Not because of anything, because of ila honesty, because of ila fairness. Ibukaje konyi munna patiyolti, wala nyin ketale, abe na patiyolo kononta, mbe konyi tula wanyale, mbeke kankilinti yala. O alhamdulillah. Wakanyita nile ko UDP mukafole te kafome yalon ko. Ebe sila kendo leka. UDP mukafole te kafome yalon ko. Jonsi ala tentu bari si proud fanam ebe kafo kono kafo me yalon ko ebu kaju be tonya botan nakaka tonya de abe nation koto ntenda malala hani. That's the United Democratic Party. That's the party me yalon ko Gambia di woding UDP di woding sama isi lono le yesi so konkon e kab UDP United Democratic Party ala history ay kato menke Gambia ye nila menke Gambia isi lono le dioni mamari woni ka sayin kanyeye adu be proud la le ko United Democratic Party party ne soto tata Gambia mfata tata dame mbata tata dame mama tata dame nandiul tata dame to me yalon ko ay kelo kenyim banko e dol beje ye niola o banko ni wala mu United Democratic Party. United Democratic Party is the only political party may yalonko they have a genuine history to tell our next generation. And na alonko na next generation of men bena they will be proud of this United Democratic Party. Because ye katakuwa menke. Iba fula malafi party nyina. Iba fula lako nyim party la kuwa man dianye. Iba fula ko the people men yalo ko they are associated with this political party. Idol beje la ko man dianye. Bar kafo ko party nyim makata party nyin te lore siloka party te lore tonya siloka. Wallahi ni mari yo fo ye nakaroleke. So walakin an kafo mbading European kolye UDP diuni we all can be proud as a member of United Democratic Party. Because momo ni aje bi molika ika siso kon bota kar nyolle bola mbata kar nyolle bala wo kar nyolle ku kendo leke ngo hani tata Saudi Arabia bi men yalon ko ika susu ika wasu ko mu kila bonsun leti bari ne te buwasula ko mu Abu Jahale Aba Jahali bonsun leti adu kila bota Aba Jahali bala bari woto kamune nyitandi kila mu mo kendo leti adamadin kendo lom bar wakamuna yitandi fana Aba Jahali mu moleti ay kuwo men bara mote wasno lala woto jonsi bula kuwo no masama idun sisi so konkon menna jonsi bula kuwo no masama imamarun sisi so konkon menna mfatar tanyin kafolo kono wala mu United Democratic Party diamo be siari andu molla jerinyal fana te kala kilindi hanin defan bo mol kono me yalo kon kam fata non kaje ko ndesan Baba Dindi Jobate join with the United Democratic Political Party. It's a very critical qualum me yalonko molbela opinion fokala. And that is very healthy in political party. Dunia na jerinyal te kela kilenti te kuol gela jerinya kilema anu nenete kela kilenti fana. Bari ninja ma kambenta tonya kadro mu alhamdulillah leti. Society banku sate o sate kabila o kabila inene bete benno la ko ka 100% ibeyaje ko nyi mukuleti tonya mbenya da sonna nyila at once wobuka keno ala fona daro lo moti adama de una site la coming lonnal kafo nyame kullu bani adama qata adama di be ka mistake ko kel bari ni mistake ko keta moli la mistake ko je ndemen ku felentirin kaje ko baba dindi jobate ay join United Democratic Party amandi yanye but fo nyanta ke na man join ba no ndelata ko baba dindi jobate ay menke it is wrong adun tete yam fanu la kata ma kentela do ko tete yam fanu la amake wala bara yake men la wolle si yam fanu waye so woto mol kanade ko baba dindi jobate a jointa United Democratic Political Party la wole ba tankandila hani United Democratic Party mu political party leti me yalon ko Gambia diu betalum are registered on behalf of Gambian citizens only, regardless of your tribe, regardless of your religious, whatever you believe. As far as ila Gambian citizenship is concerned, nobody have right to deny you to join a political party that you wish. Alena kumomoide. This is kanyoso hakilo lalamude. Tonya nimmenko nim baba dindin te tarno la kaf kilon kono ila right lemo baba dindin nyoli ye kule ke ye mol soron on lawfully ye mol tocho ye itelle mol la tochorinta ye modol soron ye la so itelle la soron actitate ka woli soron on lawfully baba dindin jobate alfalo mu dindin tati de ya kele ya mol tora andi awo tora lal men ye tora wo jama bota min tole wo jama bota United Democratic Party le a jama abota United Democratic Party le tonya men balanta kaje ko they are disappointed that this kind of the people like Baba Dindin Jobate are joining United Democratic Political Party ila bololomu manya ne ka mo jala yaka men yalo ko they are complaining ila right le muka complainala ila right le fana muka fontena kela opinion express because they ila right le fana ni disappointed adama di ubo nyale ko do diate te ate diala doye do diate fana ate diala doye bari nyanta ko kilim fana understand la wala muko United Democratic Party mu Gambia di ubele tati United Democratic Party ning ayatal ko Baba Dindin Jobate jointa United Democratic Party la for United Democratic Party ye lol le soto bang ila party la criteria le beje bang kaje ko one have to it one have to fulfill those criteria before joining the political party o nga Baba Dindin Jobate la situation o jube ay menke for United Democratic Party ila law kono ila rule sol kono ay fenne boendi jeba men nim parti la rule sol manta ngamen nyanta wol fana jube la je bakele mantar Baba Dindin defend kan ngalo ne ko Baba Dindin nyole menke victim sol dambang wala si forgive no ye bari niaje ko mo jamabe diam ka kaje ko nyin kind of the people are associating themselves with the United Democratic Party bari ku kire nyantolo naje Gambia bangudi wo banguding ye right le soto ka join political party ola bari ni na tani na morality la na adamadi yalla Kenya la one can distance yourself from Baba Dindin Jobate bari nyanda ku kelin kila jede ko mo mene crime commit We cannot disassociate ourselves from them, but we can help them. Because ni adamadi uye kuriyake ya distance imantara mo ko kanyin dunia itama ko kan alkiyama alena kumo moyde many crime committed Gambia ni aje ko Hitler la watu jang Hitler la modol beje nko men be America nyabala the people are many aloko they are member of Ku Klux Klans. The Ku Klux Klans lemba men be America. They are members. Ika bo Ku Klux Klans la ogana kafokono. Ika na back to their normal sense. And ila state kamuneke what the people do to help those people. Wala muto ika mune ika social atodung therapy le organize those people there. Ebe integrity la society kona nyadile. Reform. How to reintegrate the people many along ko. Ye crime le commit. Mafo ko ni moy crime commit nyanta forgive lale kabula je wonya wo masalaha. Ni aje ko hani ala ko an nafsi bin nafs. Mo me mo fa taunte ya kono al nyanta ka fale. Ning ayatar ko ayake taunte ya la kono. Bari United Democratic Party mu Gambia di ubele tati. As far as Itemari, you are not part of the decision makers of the United Democratic Party. I was disappointed, and I'm disappointed, but not disappointment mean woketa baba din na side lela. Barinta fono laiko. Ala na United Democratic Party. To be honest to you people, I don't like it. But man right so don't have fight na la party into bawo Gambia party le na be denta Gambia party hanna crime committee nyaonya ala wo crime nying wo ma bondi Gambia di ya kono de so loi membe je ni loi ko baba dindi jobate guilty tale mamira ko wo mobe United Democratic Party membe hanyi la lola kaka baba dindi jobate defend but United Democratic manke ko ntel manke court house ti United Democratic manke mo justice house ti. United Democratic Party is a political party, is an institution like any other political parties in the Gambia. But in more fundamental join the United Democratic Party. Don't think that you committed crime against the humanity. Sembe United Democratic Party koma. Purunyin kamala because nteli ngadiki ko alala mako iro kama they are the next government. So batu ngabori ngata bampu koma so that na crime nying mol sinyina wala no. Because United Democratic Party ni nata same voto. Ebe tamala munela according to supreme law of the Gambian constitution. Gambia la constitution. Gambia la law. UDP betamala lola. And that constitution doesn't belong to any political party. That constitution is made by the Gambian citizen. Many alonko, even some of those, as far as your citizenship is concerned, that constitution or that supreme law, we are all equal in the eyes of our supreme law in the Gambia. So being a United Democratic Party member or whoever else you are, if you committed the crime and then you are guilty, na luai menfu ole bela aleka. United Democratic man rights roka mo tankandi no woma. So for that being the case, we cannot tell you that don't join our party. Will you tell the Gambian citizen don't come to my party? Who own the party? It's Gambian citizen. So as far as their citizenship is concerned, if they want to join the political party, they can join the political party. But what is important, are they going to give them a position, decision making positions? No. I don't think so. Baba dindi na victim sol be UDP konole. But najem benyum fokang. Dunia mo menne kukurunke. Nte isolate nola. That will make them worse. Ni mole kukurunke. We should convince them. Nge convince ke kirinang kafwe ko al mol loi memfo men be loi la autorité to wala mu Gambia man sakundati wala si baba dindi nyol kitindi no. But UDP have no they have no power kafo ko be baba dindi kitindi lale atara UDP manke government So government member sirinje wala sa fo no mole ko baba dindin jobate ay crime le commit andu ngalon ko nim baba dindin jobate guilty ta. I'm so UDP are not going to defend that man because the UDP stand for the truth, justice and peace. Ngama wolon parti la motote. So I think it's not even fair pour molia mirako. Ni moy crime committee na joinda UDP la dobe kanala. Sometimes na gambe intellectual men yalon koy karanda ila ko kante jakal bakel. Nte maluwalo ne. Maluwalo and al sinna kumo moy I'm not defending Baba Dindi Jobate. But in coming for Baba Dindi Jobate ay crime le committee be ngolon ne. Ala victims so lebe UDP kono. Barin ko alal tulolo Abubakar Siddiq Omar bin Khattab mo mam misilimol fa mo mam misilimol tora men tamita Omar bin Khattab la radiyallahu anhu la bon kila sallallahu alaihi wasallam aka ala dani le aka fay ko Abubakar fulale situ taje aka ala dani le aka fay ko mari ni Abubakar fulol kono laf nye dani yekilin hakilo muronde nte kila ka sallallahu alaihi dunna ka fo kono andu wo kila ni meni jihad wo kenyola Umar bin Khattab ay la mo jamale faade Umar bin Khattab ay muslime jolle fa kila la ka fo kono bari bila murtana dino ko nas tubita kata dino kono tembo menna Abubakar ye muneke ala victim so men yalon ko be baluri ako kila e ko sallallahu alaihi wasallam akay ko ela mol kilinan ala victim so bebe loda koy ko alim fele nga crime men committee la al ben kila nyame nal diata al simfa no le ben no le bon na forgiveness wota alim fa Abubakar Omar bin Khattab akoy ko al simfa nga kuriya men kala nga crime men commit against you people bim felen nata la kafo kono woto prunte la junuboy kafa nata la be forgivelante la walla woto alim fa adama din kendo kam matene ne crime ke accept your crime bawo etela crime yake men na wol dambane si ila hakko boendi noye bad nol ma yam fema hannin dunya bele yam fatema al kamalolu ne be kito nyim feslale bari ye hako boenda Umar bin Khattab he was enemy before but birana ta tubita tembo menna ama fa warandi de kaje ko ngakukuru neke woto ngakukuru ke menna mboku o faylan ko mala ngamita ko aman soto hanide ye kukuru neke molla ye kukuru ke kafo menna you cannot there is no other place to go and ask forgiveness apart from those people you committed crime against them. So fe yalon ko ye crime against United Democratic Party. Ning ayatari ko ite United Democratic Party ya diun le bute, ya diun le tora, ya diun le fa. Itata NPP. Whom are you going to ask forgiveness? Because you don't commit crime against the NPP, none of you NPP supporters. You don't commit any crime against none of the APRC supporters. Wala tina ningaje ko mol ka foko barobe reconciliation keka abe mol reconcile kane ka APRC ning NPP dundi nyokono iba nene ibe many yalo ko commit crime commit ibolle nene ka because those those victims are not NPP are not victims. APRC, they are the perpetrators, and NPP, they were not victims. The victims are the UDP and the some of the Gambians. So Neo Gambia do many aloko ye victimized. Ye kodi wole tataka foko no many aloko ye victimized fena. Which kind of reconciliation are you talking about? So what? Baba dindi njobate alana aina UDP kono. Ay opportunity soto. Kafo you ala victim sole ko ntele nyin kala ntele nyin ke kunum bare laftali e yamfanye bar wotakin nako jane TRRC hanning ayatar ko victim sol ko yamfate male bar nin commission lota commission ko baba dindin jobate a guilty dale baba dindin jobate is going to face the law. Nobody no criminals, no anybody need a crime to commit against the humanity in our country. Whether being the UDP member or without UDP members, you are going to face the full force of the law. No United Democratic to protect no la. But to be a party member, every citizen have a right to be in any political party that you want, whether we like it or not. That's the reality. So what up? Memen Danila, from our brothers and sisters. Before Baba Dindimbe joined the United Democratic Albedo Kola, Alialla Watul Tuje, Alialla Taimul Tuje, Aliballa Kodol Dundi Kanje, Albake Kamune Kama Alla Bankoka. Be Nimbaba Dindin Jobatila Kuwayete Kamfai Sabata Koma. What about no that itela was sabo koma no that NPP where NPP ganyen do alimuntankala NPP ganyeta then ikafomena from fly iborta Baba Dindin kunkilo na crime le made but you are going to face another crime me yalo ko Baba Dindin na nyon kunu yole commit woto alinga stick nyola together atuta just 2 months mbe menno ma alayem ma ko yala Baba Dindin ku killing nala ko kana kinnako Jannim Baba Dindim bena ale dogo menke party kono. Jannim Baba Dindim bala crime committee la at United Democratic Party di unal be dogo menal be kato menal ba ke kala party le anal la banko. Woto al kanason kamfa ya kinako nga chabawo party la ngome crime commit against our people wala do na party kono we akinako ndambawne problem osoro. We can have a different opinion. Wo pute baynola. Wabe adamadi yale kono alale ndawo kama hani saibol kila nala saibol wato dole kanyo saba ko lal bari nin jama bent kambenta mento wala keda to nyaate kila kabule no mala wato dole woto men yalon ko ko nyi yedime alla right la mo ayal dime hani defan bo mo le kono but alinga kolta do man doma mbe very dangerous state let we are fighting for our people mbe kelo ke ka pour kaje ko mbari musol la saya ay dang ila wuludu lalto mbe kelo ke ka men kama wala mu ko balwo dai so no ya wo gabbe bankoka al jama be jalbe kelo ke ka kaje ko justice ye prevail wo banko nyinka mbabe afo kana justice nene Baba Dindin na ko ben nkam fala nkoye ko crime le commit but nim Baba Dindin na ko yen kam fa fo tata kinna ko tata problem o creating dambol tema ay problème di patila awol mun tankala anun kulu wa ko nyawul kilon dun nanna tema NPP tata kanye sen the right the kind of the Baba Dindin jobate awo nyon jamali they will continue to committed the same crime ye menke ya jambela watula woto kelandel be ngani yoti de ko dol beje naketa nyaaka sila loi nin justice Wallahi ning ayatar ko luwaye Baba Dindin muta. There are nobody mamira ko momo with your rightful mind 5 common sense ite be fund like kana Baba Dindin jobate fenge because womu tonyerolet luwaye fem muta ye tonyerole ke there should be no maslaha about that to nilta vote lale mafoko manya scrutinizing kela bari alingan ke ko molto de men be nyin diamol la NPP ndenga mira ko mol mel yalon ko bibe president baro support kan natar malo beje natar ko integrity beje natar horomo beje wol nyanta diamula mo bela fo Baba Dindin jobate. I'm not defending Baba Dindin jobate. I will never defend that man because in my eyes Baba Dindin is a criminal. In my eyes, that is my opinion. I will not defend that man because the crime he committed against our citizens. But let us concentrate on our political party. Alin kanaso Baba Dindin UDP diune ale doko menke albekato menna alin kanaso wo kato nying Baba Dindin na joino UDP aya kenye kensonte. No, let us focus. We have only 2 months or even less than 2 months. Momo yalo ne nyil feofe yalo ne ko ne atari be sene yarine momo Gambia diuna muiti you are welcome bari men be complain kanyin ko wala bari nyinin kala ma fona UDP diulde bari men be party kotel to o men ko itele mo independent lete men be complain ka mbali nyinin kala Baba Dindin is not criminal than the Usman so If you are supporting Barola government and you are criticizing UDP, Munakina Baba Dindin Jiabota join the UDP, you are a hypocrite. Jomale bulo detita katambi Usman Sola. Mofa Kanye Hanisa Gambia taxpayers on Lakodo Aba receive Kane. Many Yanoko they involve more than 47 innocent killing. If those people can work in our government, Tonya Manyana Fulako, Karibe Nina Keka del Fanambole Keka, but UDP Manke Masa Kundan, and I'm sure Ni UDP Masa Kundanata, they are not going to give a position for any of these perpetrators when they are guilty. If they are guilty, I'm 100% sure that UDP is not going to give any Mansakunda la position to these people. But it is their right to choose any political party to support. Many Kamolfa American Kuku clans, they have a political affiliation. White supremacy, they have political affiliation. Will you tell them that don't join my party? The only thing you can do that, Walamuko, refuse giving them a key make positions. But an ordinary political member or an ordinary supporter or ordinary sympathizer, I don't think we should be more concerned about that. Because being a UDP supporter or whosoever you are, if you committed crime in the Gambia, nothing there may will be tankandila. Oto let alinga hakilo murundi koma bang. Nga made the situation that our people are in. Our mothers are suffering in that country. Our sisters may yaloko both day and night. Purkata wulu lepta no to fay kijo katari faraden. Na fulo membe kasara ka Gambia kono bi. Na banko be dunka problem o men kono bi. That is worse than Baba Dindi Jobatela Kuo. What let us concentrate on our political party and we push our political agenda. Kaje ko 2021 benye memba kono December barola Mansakunda edang. Because niaje ko ni hiri haro membebe kere because of Mansakunda la tilimbali yallo. Baba Dindi Jobat is a perpetrator. That's true. But ite membe NPP, ite membe Baro support ka, you should be ashamed of yourself. Ni atare ko ite me misil me deuneti. Berin tumo men na ko be nyim Mansakunda support ka. Usman So is a killer. Mofa Kanye is a killer. Alaji Sise, President Barola Office is a criminal. So if you can support and defend those people in the government, may yalonko they committed crime against the state and what the same state hansai bola ebe kodo taka wole blokono. And the moment yalonko they are not receiving any salary. Baba Dindi Jobate, he is not going to receive any salary in UDP. He is not going to put anything in UDP. The only thing he can do maybe for now more donating I support, and we need that vote. But that will not prevent Baba Dindi Jobate to face the justice. I believe that the leadership will not do that. Because when they do that, that will be an injustice. And I know that United Democratic Party, they are very straightforward. And I know that when they said Baba Dindi Jobate is guilty, I am 100% sure our party leaders, they are the people who will first come out to show that Baba Dindi Jobate should face the justice. Because Baba Dindi Jobate at the UDP kena UDP. So Baba Dindi Jobate to kumma ya kila UDP kono. Me ya kina ko Baba Dindi Jobate be guilty la. Yaje ko UDP nkole lo kafa katita kitola. Muna for UDP nkole tamuluat. The supreme law of the country, it doesn't belong to any political party. Andu bang patio katama. Atonya patio na la policy le kana. But some of the supreme laws, some of the laws in the country, they cannot change that without the participation of the majority in the country. So I don't think this is something that we should all continue to waste our time on it. Baba Dindi Jobate Gambia di unomo, I crime le commit mo be sonta wolale. But should we tell them that they should not join with political parties? Should we tell them that? Ngo. Nafiko wabunene bukanafile. Many be bantele ba foka UDP. You etel wa more kilun lebe Usman So defend Kang. wo mo kiluni walle Mamour Job ñol defend wo mo kiluni nko Allah resign for IGP lamba for Allah resign interior for interior minister for jo malamba something sonko ala on the watch le dabo ñol we arrest ala on the watch le Solo Sandeng is were killed. Solo Kurma were killed. The others were tortured. If those people can work in the government and they appreciate those people, they are still defending those that criminals. Did those people have an audacity? Kanajan Kafon Teleko, Baba Dindinjo Batebeten, Meyalonko is not going to receive a butut from the taxpayers' money. Criminals are receiving the taxpayers' money. The criminal men Yaloko, they torture Gambian citizens. They kill the Gambian citizen. They committed crime against our country. They are still working in the government. You hypocrite can defend that government, but because of UDP, you hate the UDP, and the someone I crime commit. But we are waiting the TRRC to implement ila report la. UDP manke wo party today. UDP manke wo party. Gambia ntel tafono la moy ko nko. Many more kurunti fombe fenki abandon na leba nyaje ko alafan ko ibadi na filita ya ma koy na tonyero ka ma koy yaji tandala ye tonyero leke pura ya fan say alama ntele mo adamadi dambanneti adamadi be modol beje ka mistake ko dol tamu tawnte yalleti baba dindi jobate be wo among the people men ye tawnte yake because baba dindi jobate ay luwalon. But should that prevent him from joining any political party? Me yalon kala citizenship right le mot. So what to lord luwale bulu kaje ko luwa be melala baba dindi jobate ka bana la banko kan say ni UDP kay ko lafta ye bonna party ko ne be mune fulay UDP la party la rule sol. Nyamo ebe mo by la party kono. Ika by le based on the rules, based on the criteria of the political party. Na mari ma wo criteria you'll meet, then you have right to sack the person from your political party. But say ni UDP ko baba dindi jobate kana join in na party kono. Walla nge by le man la fe join in na party la. What is their reason? What will be their reason? Because nibe mo by la nem party la criteria le nyanda tala. Nyanta by la base particular rule and regulation, but not because of I crime le commit against the people. When the law will lua tentel bulokono, lua be authority le bulokono. The people who should execute that law, that's not UDP. We are not a UDP manke courthouse day. Ila join UDP, that will not prevent you to face the justice. It's an even insult to think that when you join UDP, that will prevent you from facing justice in the country. UDP manke o patiti. So mbe United Democratic diune ngali dani ala kan kila kan. Tonya alimu tonya molleti. Nin tonya na dal buka jeki jekala wole party nyin na ko diandinte because mol buka jeko na party leader sol le jinke because party leader sol mu adama dunleti. Ku killing nyanto fana understand la kaje ko ha na leader sol ye any decision ke is a right decision. Let us have this understanding kaje ko kulli bani adama kata adama diu beka mistake ko kele woton na nyaton kol mu e fana mu adama diu lete alinge muta ko adama diu baralin kane muta ko ite mistake ko kenola nabiya mole mistake ko ke dame jobale mu adama diu ite mistake ko kela jela bar niaje ka folota pour ka nyoso hakilo la lemo ka different divergences so fana manke kasidi. Many are going criticize. It is their right to criticize it. It's their right to criticize it. And many dimming, ila right lema ye dimming because they are clean people. Imanke mo kurunti wala kine man lafi ye fan associated with mo kuruna. But so many be Gambia. Fo ye la Gambia di ya tay bulle ba. Mo mene mo fa Gambia. Ay la Gambia di ya bondi bulle ba. Ila Gambia di ya right men di la ya bondi bulle ba hani mo fa lay ba tritila anay mo le fa e ba tritila lole la alla banko la loi men fo bar wo mala citizenship bondable adala citizenship right fana ma bondable What many crime commit, ye right to join with any political party they want. But the only thing that they should not be in decision making positions. Many aloko kuni ye tinyaro leke wolto. Hitler supporters sold. Some of those people, after the collapse of the Hitler Masakunda, they went to join different political parties. But for your more tankandila face the justice. No, they face the justice. Wo party te keni membe protect la. Bari iteme yalo ko ebe Mansakunda kono. Iteme mu e Mansakunda support lati. Mba fole ko nafiki ya bula. Albe nafiki ya mella albe fellale. Katu itemu nafiko leti iteme membe Mansakunda kono. Eka UDP criticize. While the killers and the torturer like Usman Sow. Usman Sow la watch le solo sandem fata. Something Sonko. For landing Sonko lamba. Today, he is still in the government receiving the taxpayers' money. If you can appreciate those people working in the government and receiving the taxpayers' money, you don't complain about that. But you see, complain about the one individual person. I crime le comment, but what crime nyanta protect lalba. Ala joining UDP for abobe wo mari protect la ka justice face ba. No. But what Fanama denied ala citizenship right la, because the political parties are registered based on the how to call it, bankola nyato tala and banku diya wala tina lundown in kafo ko al bonna politiko kono soni beje be join the party olale mol beje men musunt ebe party ol kono. But should we tell them that you are a thief, don't join our party? No, but only right we have. Any day, UDP, Baba Dindi Jobate Dundila, decision making position. That day, I'm totally out of the UDP. La. Anything, I will not talk about any politics because UDP for Rebalam. Niente Jembota UDP, wala mundate political of Koteke. Wo politic party leti Gambia, me yalo kombe dunna waleto after kombota UDP. So, what? Alinga stick together. Hypocrite bela katolalde. Nafikol bela katolalde. Bawo adamadi meya horomo soro. Ite to nyaleje. Ijabe mofa kanyi labe wokam Mansakunda kono. Gambia dun la na moy ka ci kay ka mofa lali joala. Usman Sow me yalon ko. Atelemu NIA director to all these crimes were committed under his watch. Well, Usman Sow still is our NSIS director. You don't complain about it. You still supporting President Barrow. With those people. Here other cities soto. Kafo Moleko. Baba Dindi Jobate Fela joined the United Democratic Party. UDP don't mean you are criticized. It is their right. Because UDP is a party, is a very democratic party. It's a very democratic. Because muneketa, mol la different opinion. And dunia dawoda, mol kala fininela. Parti diun menketa le consanti, alla right lemu. And momo kamol jube komo kurun lemu itola. Ite fama momo kurunete. Mol ite adeko, it is okay for you. Alal tulolo. Men yalon ko kamol condemn. Albe bulala mol la. Albe kuma jawo fola mole ala stop because defa men fenete kuno ngaf safero ke mol fundana na kan attack mfan la UDP diun ngo ni aje ko hani ulama oli kasi ika hadiso dolte ka fo nyemu da iflet ika hadiso dolte ka fo ko nyemu hadis fen kolati nyemu hadisi sahih halati nyendom hadisu da iflet muneketa ye different opinion le soto la ko ye investigation le ka ko woto kafu ni investigation o man ke jeto e buka different opinion soto wo kafu walla ala cross keneke hani dino ko dol beje mol fatata kanne ni aje ko hani sunno ay talada jamal le soto sunno ay talada sabale soto ni tata na majhabul majhabul imam maliki soto nga safi soto le bun hambali soto le ñili bebe muslimol le kono bari e be ñil few na silo ka manke koy bota muslime ya kono le woto mo men yalon ko they were disappointed. Let us not attack them. Men yalon ko they don't like the decision that they badindin job but they join UDP. It is their right. But we make more kurunte United Democratic because muneketa They care so much about this political party. Any timbenyim party o tonendila wole kebula diamula woto alenkana funti ka mol attack itela miro yaje ko beteatel nyin donna miro yaje ka man betea. Let us dialogue alinga nyoso hakilola rather than be nyo attack la be nyo mba fula nyoy ko nyin karim katambile ida fawne be UDP tinyaka alinga wo kusi fal bula dunia alaye adamadi dada nyine kamma adamadi man timma kullu bani adama kata adamadi beka mistake ko le soto neji alay jahannaba da ay ara jannada alone ko doli be mistake le be sonne la mistake ko la dol la mistake ko te sonna le be fala ini la wo sombali ala be fala woto amanke kasiti mole different diversity and different opinions soto but wo manyan na kinanga nyo attack because itela opinion wo manyan na fola no keta drum be kala dictator leti alinga concentrate model funtita bi men yalo ko be NPP ko ne be nyin ko ke propaganda la woli nyanta malulale they should be ashamed of themselves ite be parola mazakunda ite ko mu NPP leti you defend Usman So me yalo ko heinous crime was committed under his watch and he is still holding our high position in that in the government alinga nafiki yal bula Gambia Usman So ning ayatar ko Gambia is genuine country President Barona la Masakunda they are genuine ning ayatar ko these people are genuine should they allow Usman So to hold that position in our government ikafo nyaadi le fo kumba amul dey kumba bu amul dey yow de nga support NPP tay de nga gis criminal bobu Usman So kan mo gëna criminal si pa nga passé Usman So way de nga frema sa ngeme ikafo nyaade ngeme de nga frema sa ngeme de nga dem tofi ha nga UDP ha nga UDP ñoon ku join sen parti rek mo gëna ba way ku bon yen ya gëna bon yen bon katilen yep yow ku wax lolu ya gëna bon yow ak Sada Adama Barrow yep gëna bon yen munafiki len da ngeen wara fremer sen gemen parce que yen so len am e ka fo ñaadi le alim ma koy ndesan yow so len rus so fekke yen da ngeen rus Usman So mu ngi liggéey accès kan moo gën a criminal nga pass Usman So solo sandeng gay den ren solo sande si woji Usman So la way yen sen affaire ko alla ko betata nata ko affaire kan mo sa affaire manela ak sa ke mo affaire nehomala UDP am nga man buguma UDP so dey so kumba join UDP problem so kumba join NPP lol du problem lol doomu bi baax la yeen da ngeen wara bay sen nafikat yi yeen ba yeen lo len son problème sen problème lo am sen problème si December bi yeen sen yaay den dem si hôpital Banjul hôpital bu heñi def de heñi Banjul hôpital Banjul def de heñi te suñ jigen suñ jabar yi den dey si lebo yow amulo ka fu ndasile you are heartless you don't have sympathy for those people you still supporting that reckless government yow denga am game nga ubi san game nga wane UDP am nga ñin so kumba join sen party samba wartu join UDP way samba so join NPP samba doomu bu baax la way so samba join way December si sobe yalla so nehe yalla sen nonsense yi yep defa lifin wow ñun xam leen yeen sen lifin ni yek molen kaput sen bopa kon nante ya rek yen kon nante ya rek len am sen bopa why minister yen sen boka sen kabudi lifin bi motak yen de ngeen support sen bokay why ñun tamen ñun suñ boga tamen wa kaw len man wa kaw suma papa wa kaw la suma yaay wa kaw la suma yaay def de dem kolon mu feca fofu ndox yow de nga tok Banjul yow den sa jeker def de sa sun xales sa jabari Ousmane So danga xam ne sa jëkkër reykat la jabari kii jabari déedéet jëkkër hani de jabari Bamburen Njaay xam nga ne sa jëkkër soo la jox xaalis sa ci xaalis laa la jox yow tamit nga jël sa pañe nga dem marché na nga def xam nga man si marché bi te defa lifin bi def dee xeeñ marché def sa xaalis bu nga am si sa loxo xaalis boobu def dee xeeñ tamit xeeñ xaalis la parce que sake xaalis la sa jëkkër sake kat la Bamburen Njaay yow sake kat la Baye Lamine Diop tapale nga Adama Barrow muumu la amul dara ku ñëw rek dañoo am benn affaire dañoo war a bind affaire façon yi nga wax ko amul problème man ma or naa la kay amul problème xaar jëjëw ma sayn ko yéen yépp sàcc kati leen yéen supporter Barrow yi yéen amu leen jéeme yéen soo leen am rus alim maa koy sur waa kawnto foog ngeen dégg suma wolofu de man xam naa ne suma wolof waaye sometime suma waxu wolof da ngeen den dégg parce que yéen da ngeen support seen jarbaat yi seen xale yi seen yaay yi mu ngee dey si hospital da ngeen taw fale UDP ma leen am nga UDP ñooy dañu foog ni ñoo moomu dëkk bi kan moo la wax ñu ñoo ko moom kan moo la wax ñu ñoo ko moomu dëkk bi waaye soo fekkee sa nijaay sàcc kat la mu paak sa baak de parce que UDP soo ñëwee sàcc kat yi yëpp dañ leen saani si prison parce que man si kaw comme man suma papa kaw la suma yaay kaw la suma mbokk yëpp kaw la te kaw ñeen ñun tamit dañu dee fay xaalis ko seetal de Banjul 750 million te suma yaay mu ngi nale si garden mu ngi liggéey si garden def dee jëli xaalis boobu mu fay taxam yéen dañ dee sàcc xaalis boobu ngeen joko seen jabar yi waaye xam nga nit danga war am jom waaye yéen amuloo jom amuloo fayda yéen xam nga sàcc kat de soo amee jom tuuti sometimes danga dee rus waaye sàcc ak kat bu amu rus loolu def dee lum ne rek seen ceeb jën yi seen ceeb yàppa yi seen ceeb ganaar yi seen ceeb jeng yi lekka leen ko parce que December seen ceeb fas yooyu doo leen mun a toog danga dee jël sunt 1000 nga dem jox ko sa jabar mu dem duka mu dem marché sa jabar def dee yóbbu 3000 am na nit yi am na yeneen ni $50 leen am yéen danga dee am yéen amuloo yére man de am nga dangeen war a seen xeebaate yi parce que Gambia ñu yëppoo ko moomu albeñin tafaloo men bela albeñin nafikiya men bela UDP al kemali mu sunleti al bariñoli suni al binkiñol suni sake kati moo dimbali ak sake soo nekkee sake kati danga dee defend yeneen sake kati soo nekkee tapale yi danga dee defend yeneen tapale yi waaye ñun sunu yaay mu ngi toog si base si kaw te ñooy def den liggéey seen xaalis bu ngeen war a dem jënd garab ngeen sake yooyu yépp te nga dem jënd mbuba bu ndeysaan ali maa koy sur waa kanto ali benna fiki yalle bulala Ousmane Soñol ba alla kafo kono yow amuloo rus yow amuloo yeremande Ousmane So bu rey solo sande Ousmane ak Landing Sonko si time Landing Sonko den jàppal Lawyer Darboe yow amuloo rus amuloo yeremande danga ubbi sa jeme nga wala am nga UDP Landing ki Baba Dindi Jobate xanaa Baba Dindi Jobate waaw Baba Dindi Jobate criminal man gom naa loolu mota dama de mer time bu ngeen announce Baba Dindi Jobate ñëw na waaye yéen da ngeen dee def nii ñun nekkul government de waaye seen government yéen ñoo ko wala mu ne affaire bi ne hante la ma nee la nga nee la soo su ma laa ne ma defend la ko seen government amuloo loo amuloo loi amuloo ten yéen seen président tamit amul boppa ñun doful de Baba Dindi soo fekkee criminal waaye yéen tamit yéen yéen soo leen amul rus ya doo leen wax Baba Dindi am nga UDP waa UDP criminal yëpp den daw kan moo gën a criminal pass Ousmane Sow kan moo gën a criminal nga pass ala moo fa kañi kan moo gën a criminal nga pass Alhaji Cissé waa sàcc kati boobu Ousmane Mamboure Ndiaye sàcc kati boobu def ko dejal sun xaalis corona xaalis yëpp mu seeda ak njobootaay yaa da ngeen foog ñun dañu dof ñun dofuñ de ñun ñoo la gën a gaaw soo leen fekkee soo fekkee seen gaaw 100% la ñun suñ gaawante moo 150% la dañuy dof waaye toogaleen seen benn kii de parce que December da ngeen toog mbaxal leen duga da ngeen dem marché ngeen duga mbaxal moo tax ma ngi laa wax nen yéen ak président bureau ka fo ñaadi le domoro ndeysaan fele ñu nata domoro la al continue la domoro la al be benn kino men domo kali domo al be ebe domo men ali domo katun December alla ebe domo banda ngala no gambe be kole ari nyame ni UDP Masakunda nata 3 months mba fole ne yal bulage al fane yo kole ya nene gambianul be men kono Dr Samate yaw de mares rus yaw remas rususa yama gena resi rusu man de marusa ndesane Dr Samate wa kiya wa kaw yaw sun jigéey den rey si den de dey si hôpital yi sun jabar den de dey si hôpital yi sun xale den de dey si hôpital te jigéen ñoo génna ndesan Dr Samate ila ko kera bala fati molla musul be faka leptanoto mol dun be faka leptanoto ite ina funti wol instead ye kafu wol fon may niata demonstration ola you show solidarity with those people Yalong Gambia, we have a big problem. We have a big problem. Wallahi walakin ankale ko, let us ignore this issue and concentrate on our party agenda. Their plan is just to put to push our concentration on Baba Dindi Jobate. Hey, but either Baba Dindi Jobate join UDP or not, UDP is in progress. Baba Dindi Jobate at the UDP is a cool cake. So let us not let them to put our all our concentration on Baba Dindi Jobate's issue, because eka UDP la qualify ekan damban fenke nyokane yeta si bela sakila buru government buru Adama Barobi yep tapala katilen se kumbalo tapalela du sano mom grade 1 la wacha man grade 3 la wacha why du sano mom grade 1 man dema wacha grade 3 du sano grade 1 si akajata mori kotol matete yalon ne mori kotol na tan no iksin man sakunda yamar no mori yakola ake bar du sano mome yalon ko grade 1 ajita wolto hanin telephone lundo banya ba on de jita grade 3 le. So many yalon ko wol mu intellectual wolete ñun dañu am criminal intellectual si Gambia sun intellectual yi intellectual tapale kati intellectual sake kati intellectual fen kati ak intellectual sai intellectual sai ñoo am sen intellectual sen degree online online degree holder bi yep ñooñ den talk sen neki mune manye am degree fo am degree online ban school hawmako feke ñun den talk sen neki nanalti den telephone jigeni kuma ba fo rek c'est wani nga am sa bachelor nga ñew si o Facebook congratulations man mange santa suma nijaay mange santa suma papa mange santa suma oncle ñoma assist suma lifin bi ban lifin ya nge santa sa oncle si lan ya nge santa sa freni lan parce que yow warlo santa ken da nga tok sa nek nga am sa degree online degree say degree la du fen mota Gambia dañu am problème si online degree holder yep aw dara nekul sen lifin bi sen biren bi wallahi tay sele solen amé sen degree bobu ñi internet wa congratulate ma ngi am ma ngi finish suma bachelor ma ngi finish suma doctor yow mulo def dara ate amulo liggéey ci America amulo liggéey ci Angleterre yaa ngi am bachelor yaa ngi am diplôme yaa ngi am xawma ban degree nga dem Gambia mané ko Adama Barrow man dema am degree man university fale la wacca te da nga ñew nga def psychopath ku am xam-xam lol du nekk psychopath ku am bachelor tik bobu du def ci bout lekin way yow gomulo sa boppa parce que da nga xamne de sa bachelor say bachelor la online bachelor yep say kat len yangi tok sa nek nga set television nga nanti nga def sa internet bi nga ne man bachelor la am ban bachelor la am du du such a bachelor Gambia ñi ñoo nekk sun problème dañen dem ñooñu bugut si subatel joti bi bukulo joti si subatel de motax den dajel sen sak yi yep sen lifin yi yep mu dem Gambia mu den tofa man Gambia la gis motax ma ñew ma del si Gambia man America la nekk so nekké America luta utilo liggéey fofu nga bay Gambia yeneng xalé bu wacca ci sun university bobu ñol tamé ñu liggéey ci Gambia yow nga uti liggéey ci America wala nga uti liggéey Angleterre waye say len parce que yen xamulo yen amulo alema you don't have trust on your own because you know that your bachelor, that your degree is say degree. We all know. That's why you all became a bootleggers. But the real degree holders, we know them. Mambulen Jai is say bachelor la am. Mambulen Jai say intellectual la. Alaji Sise say intellectual la. Motak yen so President Barrow mune sakel nga sake. So President Barrow mune demal bank nga jël xaalis nga dem jël ko pa ten ya nga xamne dal xaalis mbolo la xalel mbolo soko sake ñun tamé suñu ñew dina la dil ak yow motax ma wax len sen jabar de ñi tok ben ci de parce que sen ben ci lekay façon yo defaje December da ngeen jël 3000 nga jonko sen jigen yi mané sen jabar yi demal duga halen ha balole hales badole tay mo la musul be fakal leptanoto e man bala fasoto ite Dr. Samate, you are heartless because I know that ning ayatari la muso wole be faka wole leptanoto wala kina Gambia musolu al bala fal fanye de yalo Gambia politiko be nyamen bi wotu mon del bamañol kata jaatol le wafi ndel bañol ni wa kaw jaatol len de jenna jaatol len de jaay ak kaniba ak sun pompiteri ñun loolu lan de jaay waaye yéen da ngeen de jaay nit yi nga dem si président Barrow am nga man 3000 nit la amee si suma kanaaw 200 nit la am si suma kanaaw tey Gambia niti mo neka sen jato niti mo neka sen tamato niti mo neka sen kobar Gambia la politiko bi ye adamadu lekela tamatolti ye adamadu lekela jatolti ye adamadu lekela tiolti e kata president be if you want to be rich join in politics. Most of these people yalo ne ko Gambiano la kodo ikoleta president Barobu e kata ye ba fula ko mo keme fula be koma mo keme nalle ateli fana men yalon kal ba fula mo le ko ha hani dun dadin ko le ko se dunje hani dun da jahannaba se dunje le jahannaba ni o bunda yele o finjalo e fenke hani e ni baro jorjo kanjele ba fula baro e dunje te dunna ali bala fali fonye ali kabula nyin direnke musol men noma iba fole faye ko ndelle mu yaay kompino nyaaton ko ndelle mu yaay kompino nyaaton ko alal hakilo ni yaay kompino ko in fact ni UDP na tan nyanta nyi bolal ñi ne be Gambia murundi kan koma yaay kompini bi ñoo delo sen yen jigeni atelle kal diwni murundi koma atelle kal diwni fanyim bakono bawa atelle siata atelle kam man sa kurun defend wo bankoka musolle be faka leptano to ijabala alala luwol ni afoye ko ha yalon ala kita men na wote bay albe ala to ku yala dron albe ala to ku yala ngo ala ko fama ma asabatu min hasanatin faminallahi momo yeku kendo soto o bota ala bulo o ma asabatu min sayatin famin nafsika momo aleku kurun soto o botete mari fawna bulo kato muneketa ale kilari amol kinal kanne o kilari amol kalene ko ala ko kana nyinke ala ko corruption o mambete ala ko sunyaro mambete woto ne sunyaro ke dunda sunyaro ngai bo kono e fangane e fandundi jeto ne son difen aye la diata kende akodo be sunya itele fandundi toro kono al yalo nenye masa kunda man tamaka al diwni be batari atel funding ko men yalo kalbe bulade president Barrow no ma alal fanyinin ka president Barrow la sion inside dema no bari funding ko dol fon be Gambia ko alla ko mbala falde mol nyanda national sadabo le kala nalla national sadabo national charity normal ma ko no nga international charity fana start international charity ka mol ki Saudi Arabia yeta charity bali jeto ite ji karamoto you graduate from the school you graduate from grade 12 you graduate from university you graduate from the different institutions ebe siri wo banko ka more than 3 years e baye la karamujo e faye la karamujo man sakunda men nyanta do ko provide la hani one skill center ma provide ite funding ke o e fanyininka mbe bor kanyi man sakunda no meno but I'm still jobless fo wala muy la ngani yoti ba why alteman sal defend no la men yalon ko e balla interest sol defend la bari ite ko e kam molle kele katu molle la ko mandie wo modol fo mel ko mande walla life lebe betari tede bari te hani be manyo takila ya fo batu nga bro kol batu nga na bro da kol billahi bro kay way suba bro da defa mar way defa ma wara dembal sa bro da defa wara dembal way so ame jabar nga start bunga nga am domi sa bro da do muna def lol de yow yange support president Barrow so buke nani ataya nga kol sa frère boy billahi man fuma ne gane dama astra way billahi tay yange support president Barrow de nga wara lacc sa bopa lutak dama de support president Barrow parce que man mangi ni dama wacca si school tay man awma liggé man amul fi dara luma muna def tay di yange support president Barrow parce que yew man buguma UDP am nga UDP dem fok ne ñoo mom ba kan mo la wax ñu ñoo momu dekabi ken momu dekabi way de nga wara halati sa bopa niti de nga wara am jom yow xale bu ndaw nga wacca ci école every day de nga de degali jigen mu ngi rey ci hôpital way with all that man worryuma why UDP de nga xam ba hala ba December so Barrow wini so UDP sonana so UDP defa sona yow tame de nga sona bu 100 times or 1000 times parce que yow yenge tok si Johnson bi ataya bunga nani sa amuloko te yange wa UDP ye xam nga pe yen December de ngeen xam yow de nga wara la ci sa bop parce que président Barrow wini luma wara def lek ha yen amul ale yeremande sotal fanye musolu al fundital ko women life matter bare alla life nyanta matter al fonnie alla life nyanta matter al fonnie dunia bebe takana ke Gambia let UDP muneke UDP lota je yalbondi dictatorship kono way yen wa Banjuli yen ñoo wara santa UDP mangla wa de man dama de wa every time de nga yen wa Banjul de ngeen wara santa UDP ñola jo buru Banjul Roy Malick Lowe UDP ñola jog sen independent pro yoyi mosquito yi yen sen independent ñun UDP ak Roy Malick Lowe ñi ñoo jël sen independent from yoyi si susulali ñu joko Roy Malick Lowe moo dakan yoyi si basibir Banjul te yoyi mu ngi merde wallahi solen lifin ngeen jo sen carte si président Barrow yoyi dañ leen overtake Banjul wallahi UDP da ngeen wara santa UDP parce que UDP ñoo daka yoyi si bir Banjul parce que sen colonial master ñoo neka yoyi mosquito they were colonializing you in Banjul. Even your immigration, the people who from the greater Banjul area, even the provinces, when they went to the Banjul, they went there for ID card or for passport or whatsoever. Even those mosquitoes are trying to colonize those people also. So with all that, we gave you Roy Malick Lowe, and Roy Malick Lowe help you to fight your independence from the mosquitoes, and then now Roy Malick Lowe asks all the mosquitoes to leave Banjul or else. And now mosquitoes, they run from Banjul. Now you want to jamfa Roy, denga buka jamfa Roy Malick Lowe. Denga buka jamfa UDP. Denga this UDP more send enemy. After giving your independence from mosquitoes, then dengen wara santa Roy Malick Lowe. Bur Banjul. Roy Sudu Roy Malick Lowe, President Barrow, sa do muna nelo si bir Banjul parce que mosquitoes ñoo neka sen colonial masters de dañu wara santa Roy Malick Lowe. So United Democratic Party, they are, and then the people many for Moleko UDP is coming to they want to revenge for what? If you are killing, why are you afraid? You go to phone, tell phone UDP want to revenge. Did the Foninkas committed any crime against UDP, or it is APRC and their executives? APRC as a party committed a crime against UDP. So why should they tell the Foninkas that UDP want to revenge? What have the Foninkas did to UDP? That's the question. But the hypocrites are always like that, because they take this advantage, telling our people, thinking that our people they are politically unaware. Why they fail? Parce que UDP mo neka boti Gambia. UDP moe live in Gambia. UDP moe bopa Gambia. Gambia without UDP, my friend, you will all suffer. You know why? Even some of the things when the government cannot do them, there are some stupid issues or some corruption. Government will like to do it deliberately, but because of they are afraid of UDP. That's the reality. So give your vote to UDP and save your wife. Give your vote to UDP to save your children. Give your vote to UDP, save our integrity. Give your vote to UDP to save Gambia from recolonization. Because Barrow, mom governor la. Governor Gambia. Parce que tay leg ni Macky Sall moy nijaay President Barrow. Macky Sall. Tay President Barrow so bugil Macky Sall mu nekk sa nijaay. Pakal sa yerem yep nga tok ci Sénégal. Nga bay sun deka. Parce que ñun bugut dem Sénégal de. Ñun wa Gambie len. Ñun wa Gambia rek la ñu amé so fekke Macky Sall sa ongul la pak sa yeram nga buy sun state house bobu nga dem. So 2021 this December, to save your country from all this nonsense, from all these tribal issues, from all these rubbish issues, wallahi, give your vote to United Democratic Party, because they manifested everything. This party is a clean party, the party of truth. Our leaders, we all see. Go, angalil ko nyadile. Actions are louder than the words. UDP yake action otole yake diamol tole many kanne ka fale ko UDP mu nek nyim banko ka jale yene ka fay banne fale kala na modo UDP lema ete be mel support ka president baro janabe kala president fom mala wo ma jumu estate wala office oje akamunda ko bapeo so many ka fale ko UDP mu nek nyim banko ka ala fay ko you are ignorant because UDP is not a government. Many bake kai kata kodo sunya nanne e kata donto nanne UDP cannot go outside the country and kodo donto on behalf of the Gambian. They don't have that mandate. So to tell people that what UDP have done here, found la ignorant equal expose. Ha. So mbadi UDP nkolo. We are brothers. Mbesla kendo leka. Definitely, I'm so happy that found la party doing kafunt to express their anger, to express their frustration, and then the authorities, many they will hear when we cry. But that should not make us forget about the important issue. This 4th December. 4th December. When you are disappointed, it is your right to be disappointed. That Babadindi Jobate joined United Democratic Party. It is your right to be disappointed. But in Safeko, let that not make you to forget about the December. Alinkanaso Babadindi na kuyen dominate. Nga nina fenko nyina. Babadindi is just one single person. And then Lua wobetamalal. Hanni jointa UDP lela. UDP mansa kunda no nata ni loi memfo supreme law of the Gambia. Nobody is above that. Nobody is above that. So what? Ntelle benyo makweka. Mbedoku keka pro na patile. Mbedoku keka pro mune kama na bankole mbamanyul be batamen kono. Mfanyul be batamen kono. Those are important than the Babadindi na issues. Let us not put all our focus on Babadindi Jobate la kuoka. Because mbe dangerous position also. Mbe dangerous time later. We have only 2 months before the election. So let us alinkanaso moyen distract. They are distractors. Na fikol la mwiti. Bao inyabe mofa kanyila. Ibe taxpayer so la kodo takai baju ikala. Usman Some Yalonko was a master torturer in NIA because I tell him NIA la director. If that Usman So is working with the president, ika taxpayer so la kodo takai ka diala. Itema wo condemn. What other city do you have to condemn Babadindi Jobates joining with the UDP? Only we UDPian. Until UDP, we have every right to condemn anything. But if you are NPP, shut up your mouth. When you are even you are not NPP, but an independent person, shut up your mouth. Only UDP. We have right to criticize. We have right to argue. We have right to discuss within our party affair. Shun affair le. Negotiation affair. So do UDP. Denga wara freme sangeme. So neke NPP la. Fremel sangeme. Sangembi. Sabot. Freme sabot. Freme sangeme. Do sa affaire. Affaire sun affaire la. Affaire UDP la. Ñoo muna wax. Ñoo wara ko condemn. Ñun yaw so feke NPP la nga freme sa pot. Ha. Babadindi Jobate la join UDP. That doesn't protect Babadindi Jobate from facing the justice. But fala bangudi yambo fanantala bulle. Hanni keda songdi ila bangudi ndi ale right di la ye join any association. But will they make you as a key position, or will they put you in executive? No. So Baba Dindi Jobate will be like any ordinary kinder, any ordinary dinding. No man there, let him find his way. That's his own problem. We don't care about that. But ngalone ko key position or key making position, Baba Dindi Jobate will never be in those positions in the UDP. And I'm sure that when the government come, Baba Dindi Jobate, any TRRC FENCO, a report, implemented, Eko Baba Dindi Jobate is guilty. He is going to face the justice. UDP is a justice. UDP stands for justice, peace, and prosperity. Nobody, ne crime le commit, no le boring na UDP kono. Luwani mubanko la luwate, UDP la luwate. And nobody is above the law. Nobody is above the law. We are all equal in the eyes of the law. So momo nata, ali bule na ali fegenet. As far as intel la party moli, they are not forming coalition with the APRC. But APRC, Allah support us all. They are welcome in United Democratic Party because we need your vote. And that vote you are going to give for to UDP, that will save your children. That will save your mother from that stupid catastrophic hospitals. That vote you are going to give for to the UDP, that will save your children from that catastrophic education. That your vote, giving your vote to UDP, that will save your wife from facing such difficulty in maternity labors. So let's come together. Being APRC supporter or whoever, we don't have problem with the APRC supporter. But APRC as a party, but the crime was committed on behalf of the party, and those who committed the crime, they are going to face the full force of the law. Full force of the law. So what we kamal ambafula be assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala barakatuh. Ngal be kondo ning healthy tale. Different opinions. I'm so happy that our people come out and express their opinion. But then many come will attack. Many people Allah stop. People have right to express their opinion. That is their opinion is. But at the end, so Tonya Momenti Almu Alayo prevent. United Democratic is here to stay. And on the 5th of December, we are going to take our Baba Hussein Dabo to the State House. Adama Barrow, pack your thing, you move to Senegal, to your uncle. Aske no faide move lela ongule because mbe sorondal. Albe ebe men domola de leglen sen ebe tay togalen sen benna cin nga togalen sen yapa nga togalen sen jeng parce que 4 December lolu yeb jena ba fula be assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh ala baraka